Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and I guess this considered around the house. This is the wife's Ninja Shark vacuum cleaner, and she says it's not running very well, so I've decided to go ahead and troubleshoot it and find out what we got going on here. I've checked all the little crevices and areas where your vacuum is working. HEPA filter in the front. Yep, this filter up here, which looks in decent shape. It's going around the front. So what I'm doing right now is I'm pulling this apart, pulling the screws out. You're going to need T20s. They're not regular screwdrivers. So you get a T20 screwdriver, and I'm going to see what's going on inside here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Let's pull this off here and see what it's doing. Because I'm going a little deeper. To clean your brushes and stuff, you push these back. All right, just push it down, push it back, and this cover will pop off. As you can see down here, we got lint and stuff, and it's blocking in there. There's a see up in here. So I'm going underneath it right now because I just pulled those screws out. But to get a better, just pop that cover off and you might be able to get in there. This front roller just rolls in there and locks. Okay, so it goes on. It's got a little tooth on that. So you want to get it out, you just take it down, slide it out. It's got its little teeth right in there that fit in that little drive shaft. As far as the big one's concerned, let's see if see that you can pull that apart at the moment. I've got my screws out of the bottom, but nothing's happening. All right, there. I wouldn't mess around with pulling screws out. I just go ahead and do your cleaning here. Clean your bag filter here. Make sure that's all cleaned in there. Those pop loose there. And then you can buy another filter there, but I just blew it out. Blew it out with air. This is what I got, you know, I'm set up to do that. And that's basically all you need to do. You won't get any suction unless you have this filter in there. Okay? This one here blows the air out. That's the HEPA filter in there. And then I drop this in. Now you're going to get that velocity of air. This goes up in here. And now you're going to get the air. Close that. And now you'll have your air suction through here. Okay? Looks like it's doing pretty good. Now remember, there's this little valve, this little air, I call it an air valve. So that's going to suck air through here and bypass this here. Then you close that up. Now you're going to have full suction, okay? So you're not thinking about it. You may open that up. And now you're not going to get full volume through here. And of course, you double check that. You're not going to get full suction here, alright? You get a little bit. Now you close that. Now you're going to get full suction down here. And you're going to get full suction here. course, you can squeeze this. Hold on. Turn that on a minute. Into suction. You squeeze these, okay? And then that'll release. One-handed. Alright. Just squeeze that, and now you can release that. And then you can make sure your hose is clean. And make sure there's nothing stuck in there, but you also got this clean out right here on the shark, okay? So you slide it, line it up, and then push. There you go. Line that up, push that in, and it'll just pop in there. Okay, so we should have full suction now. And we'll get these spinning here in a second. As soon as I get that all screwed back together. Alright boys, you're back together again. And now, when I go put back, you can hear the fans kick up, or the rollers kick up. Push this button right here, and you'll turn those off. And on, you hear it kicking in. Now you'll see. That's pretty industrial right there now. Alright. Here we go. Head up. Got dishwashing in there. I'll turn that off. Whoop. We'll do that. That releases everything. I'll turn her off. Yeah, get a good. That did a good job. What do you think? All right, wife will be happy. All right, like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. You'll catch me on the next. Dana's around the house, and this was the cleaning of the Ninja Shark vacuum cleaner.